botany assignment paper discussion for junior intermediate students. Okay, the first one is organisms found in extreme temperature are. Extreme temperature are. Here given options, first one is eubacteria, second one is archaebacteria, third one is fungi, fourth one is cyanobacteria. Here the correct answer is archaebacteria because there are three major groups of archaebacteria, namely okay, halophytes grow in salty areas, thermoacidophytes, high temperature, methanogens, marshy areas. So the correct answer is second one, archaebacteria. Next one, second one, primitive type of DNA transfer occur during sexual reproduction in. First option bacteria, second one fungi, third one slime molds, fourth one cyanobacteria. Here the correct answer is bacteria. Okay, because why it is correct? Because in the bacteria, during the process of conjugation, during conjugation process, the primitive type of DNA is transferred from one bacteria to another bacteria by direct cell contact. Okay, so the correct answer is first one. Okay, next question number 3. Most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Given options: number 1, endospore; number 2, fragmentation; number 3, binary fission; number 4, conjugation. Here the correct answer is binary fission. Here binary fission is the most common mode of reproduction. In this process, the cytoplasm and nuclear materials divides equally into two. And the cell wall and the cytoplasm also split. As a result, the formation of two daughter cells. Hence, binary fission is the right answer. Okay. So binary fission. Third one is binary fission. This is a common method, reproductive method. Next, fourth question. Bacterial cell membrane has in the bacteria below the cell wall, cell membrane are plasma membrane is present. Plasma membrane is present that contain, okay, that contain 40% of phospholipids, 40% of phospholipids and 60% of proteins. So 40% phospholipids and 60% proteins are present. Hence, the correct answer is 3. Okay. Next, question number 5. Bacteria lack. Here given options: cell wall. A definite cell wall is present in the bacteria. So bacteria, okay, contain cell wall. Below the cell wall, cell membrane is also present, and it contains ribosomes, okay, and fourth option, mitochondria. Here the answer is mitochondria. So here in the bacteria, bacteria lack mitochondria because bacteria are prokaryotic organism. So definite nucleus, nuclear membrane and all membrane bounded cell organelles are absent except ribosome. Only ribosomes are present. Remaining all membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. So the right answer is mitochondria. Okay, that is the fifth one. Sixth one. Nitrogen fixing cyanobacterium is. Here there are 4 options are given. Among them, which is A? Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Here given options are Rhizobium first one, Nostoc second one, Chlorella third one, Methanogens fourth one. Here the right answer is Nostoc. Here Nostoc and Anibina both are cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Okay, these cyanobacterial cell contain heterocyst cell. They help in nitrogen fixation. So right answer is Nostoc. Okay, next one, seventh one. Heterocyst cells are specialized in number 1, nitrogen fixation under aerobic conditions, nitrogen fixation under anaerobic conditions, formation of internal hormones, next saprotrophism. These are the given options. The correct option is, okay, nitrogen fixation under anaerobic conditions. Here the cyanobacteria, okay, consisting of heterocyst cell that contain, okay, nitrogen is enzyme which help in nitrogen fixation. It contain nitrogenase enzyme that help in nitrogen fixation. So 7th question, correct answer is second one. Next, 8. On the reason to include cyanobacteria in prokaryotes. Given options: 1, presence of mucilase sheath. Second one, absence of nuclear membrane. Third one, presence of sexuality. Fourth one, absence of flagellation. Here, the main reason is, okay, blue-green algae is a prokaryotic organism. Prokaryotic organism, because in the blue-green algae, definite nucleus and nuclear membrane is absent. Nucleus and nuclear membranes are absent. Hence, blue-green algae are included under prokaryotic organisms. Okay. Then ninth one, Monera that do not have cell wall and smaller known organisms. Monera, in the kingdom Monera, okay, which organism do not have cell wall and smallest organisms among the following? First one is methanogens. Next one, archaebacterium. Third one, mycoplasma. Fourth one, cyanobacteria. So all are Monera, but here in the kingdom Monera, okay, mycoplasma are the only organisms, okay, without cell wall, and the smallest organisms, okay. So the right answer is second one, okay, and they can survive without oxygen. They can survive without oxygen, okay. So answer is mycoplasma. Next, 10. Monera are evolved from number 1, prosynode, number 2, protista, number 3, virus, number 4, all the above. But correct answer is, okay, prosynode. Here, prosynode. Ancestral living organisms, okay, from prosynode, Monera members. Monera. From Monera to protista. Okay, from protista to fungi, plantae, animalia. So Monera are evolved from prosynode. So right answer is, okay, first one. This is the 10. Next, eleventh one. Here, halophiles are here. Halophiles are given options: chemoautotrophs, photoautotrophs, chemoheterotrophs, photoheterotrophs. This is the nutrition of the bacteria. So halophiles are chemoheterotrophs. Halophiles are chemoheterotrophs. Halophiles are chemoheterotrophs. Halophiles are chemoheterotrophs because high concentration of sodium chloride, high concentration of NaCl in halophilic environment. In halophilic environment limits the Availability of, okay, availability of oxygen for respiration. Oxygen for respiration. Using light for energy. Using light for energy. Light for energy and methane. Methane as a carbon source. Carbon source under aerobic or anaerobic respiration. Aerobic or anaerobic conditions. Okay, this is the 11th one. So correct explanation is chemoheterotrophs. Chemoheterotrophs. Okay, because high concentration of sodium chloride in the alveolic environment limits the availability of oxygen for respiration. So these organisms utilize high light for energy and methane for carbon source under aerobic or anaerobic conditions. This is the 11th one. Next 12. Identify the bacterial disease from the following. Number 1. Polio is a viral disease. Mumps is a viral disease. Okay. Next, cholera is a bacterial disease caused by Vibrio cholera bacterium. Fourth one, smallpox. So correct answer is cholera. Cholera. This is a bacterial disease caused by Vibrio cholera. Vibrio cholera. Okay, bacterium, comma shape. Okay, so correct answer is 3. Next one. Citrus canker disease is caused by. Citrus canker disease is caused by 1. Virus, 2. Fungi, 3rd. Bacteria, 4. Mycoplasma. Here correct answer is citrus canker disease is caused by bacteria. Okay, that is Xanthomonas. Oxanopodes, PV citri bacteria cause this disease. So correct answer is okay 3rd one. Next one 14. Cyanobacteria are first given options. First one producers, second one decomposers, third one consumers, fourth one all the above. But here the right answer is producers because they perform photosynthesis and prepare food materials. Okay, so 14.3. Cyanobacteria contain chlorophyll pigments and involve in photosynthesis and prepare food materials. So cyanobacteria are producers. Next one 15. Organisms that often blooms in polluted water bodies. Number 1, Archaebacteria. Number 2, Eubacteria. Number 3, Mycoplasma. Number 4, Cyanobacteria. Well known bit. Every student known. Cyanobacteria form water blooms in polluted water conditions. So answer is cyanobacteria. Okay, next one 15 completed. 16 functional heterocyst cell in cyanobacterium. Functional heterocyst cell in cyanobacterium. Number 1, perination. Number 2, assimilation. Number 3, spore production. Number 4, nitrogen fixation. This is also everyone known. Cyanobacteria contain heterocyst cell, okay, that contains nitrogenase enzyme helping N2 fixation, nitrogen fixation. Okay, so answer is 4. Next 17. Unicellular organisms that divide by binary fission are. Previously we already discussed, okay, bacteria, okay, divides by binary fission. So among the given options, bacteria is the right answer for 17. Next 18. Which of the following show coiled RNA strand and capsomere? Coiled RNA strand and capsomere. Here given option, first one is retrovirus, second one is poliovirus, third one tobacco mosaic virus, fourth one measles virus. Here tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. This is a coiled RNA and it contains capsomeres. This is the RNA and this is a protein subunit called capsomeres. Okay, in tobacco mosaic virus. Okay. Next one, 19. Which one